Hi guys, welcome to mathematics. And this video we want to solve for k in k plus 3 raised to power 2 equals 3 raised to power 2. My great fam, could you believe most people forget 1k rule when solving this? But let's solve it together and see. We have, let's say, solution. We have k plus 3 square equals 3 square, right? So from here, let's recall that if you have a plus b square, this is equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. So meaning if you compare, we are going to have our a equals k, right? And our b equals 3, right? So if you expand this, we are going to have k square plus 2 multiplied by k multiplied by 3 plus 3 square equals 3 square, right? So we have k square plus 6k plus 9 equals 9. All right, so here we have k square plus 6k plus 9. You transfer this 9 to this side, we have minus 9 equals 0. So we have k square plus 6k plus 0 equals 0, right? So which means we have k square plus 6k equals 0, right? So we observe that we have a common factor here, so which is what? K. Let's factorize k out. We have k plus 6. What this means is we have k equals 0 and we have k plus 6 equals 0. So we will say k equals 0 or k plus 6 equals 0, right? So we have k equals 0, or you transfer 6 to the other side, equal minus 6. Therefore, you declare k equals 0 or minus 6. So consider this our method 1. Let's try to use other method. Another method, let's say method 2. Method 2. We have the given question to be k plus 3 square equals 3 square, right? So remember, we will have k plus 3 square. If you transfer this one to this side, we have minus 3 square equals 0, right? So let's recall that if you have a square minus b square, difference of 2 square is equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Applying this to the above, we will have, or let's first compare it. We have a will stand for k plus 3, right? K plus 3, and b will stand for 3, right? So we have k plus 3 multiplied by k plus 3 minus 3. This equals 0, right? So we have, for this we have k plus 6 and k equals 0. So you will later see that we got the same answers. We have k plus 6 equals 0 or k equals 0, which implies that we have k equals minus 6 or k equals 0. You see that we got the same answer as the first method. So, and also we can actually check this, but before we check it, so my great fam, you can now send super to support this channel. It helps me to create more content in love. I say a few super thanks, and I will make sure to give you a shout out in my next video. So let's move on to check. So we have check. The given equation is k plus 3 square equals 3 square, right? So, and don't forget, let's first check for our first solution. When k equals 0, we have 0 plus 3 square. Is this equals to 3 square? So 0 plus 3, we have 3 square. Is this equals to 3 square? So you observe that 3 square will give us 9 equals 9, right? So that means that our k equals 0 is valid. For the second solution, when k equals minus 6, we'll have minus 6 plus 3 square. Is this equals to 3 square, right? Minus 3 plus 3 will give us minus 3 square. Is this equals to 3 square, right? So minus 3 square is, that is minus 3 times minus 3. Is this equals to 3 square? So we have minus times minus, that is plus. 3 times 3 is 9. Is this equals to, and if you square this, 3 square will give you 9. Plus 9 still the same as writing it as 9 equals 9. So you observe that k equals minus 6 also satisfies the equation, the given equation that says k plus 3 square equals 3 square. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.